Hi, I am Subbalakshmi. I am a handmade jewellery designer. In this video, I am going to show you how to make unique colorful quilling earrings. We are going to make Meenakari style quilled jhumka. One of the beauties of paper earring is they are light if you don't like to wear heavy earrings. Making quilling earring in possible variations are endless. Quilling strips are available in 3mm, 5mm, 10mm and 20mm. Mostly for making earring, we will be using 3mm, 5mm and 10mm to get different dome shapes. You could make it for yourself or as a gift for your friends and family. And also you can start your own business by selling your handmade jewellery. You can make a pair to match your favorite outfit that you love. We will be making them strong, waterproof and durable. I will take you step by step through the process, and at the end you can make your own earrings. Once you have a basic supplies, you can start making your own. Only a little time and your imagination is needed. Your project will be to make your pair of Meenakari style quilled earrings.